Welcome to my car channel. Today we want to draw some characters from the Simpsons animation. Let's start with Bart. Bart is the son of the Simpsons family. Next, we will draw Lisa. We draw little girl of the family, Maggie. They are siblings and they love each other so much. Well, let's go to coloring. We use yellow to color the characters' bodies. And now we use orange and blue colors for Bart's clothes and shoes. We use yellow again. Pink for Lisa's dress. Yellow again. A little red. We will also paint the dress of little Maggie with green. We have a big heart here, which we must paint with a beautiful red. We also have 3 little hearts that make our painting more beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.